Hi guys, so I also wanted to show you guys my centerpiece. I put pictures and also like videos of how I just ended up with it looking like this. But I was pretty happy with how it turned out. And again, I used some Dollar Tree pieces, like all the little trees are from Dollar Tree. And I found this candle decoration because you basically just put your candle holder in the middle. And then this candle I grabbed at Dollar Tree and I just put it in the center of it, and it just looks so pretty. So like the white stuff that you guys see, it's not dust, it's actually from the white rocks. I got the white rocks in Dollar Tree. My husband gave me the idea of just spreading it out to make it look like it's snow. So this is my centerpiece. If you guys want to see, I might include a picture in it so you guys can see like how it looks. But I was pretty happy with it. I really enjoyed decorating this year for Christmas. I didn't do much, but the little bit that I did just kind of brought joy. And then I recently got a workspace, finally, a desk in my living room, thanks to my husband. So I decided to put up a little bit of decor as well, and I put these two mini trees from the Dollar Tree and this candle holder. I just fell in love with it. So I put like a this not motion sensor, it's like a tea light that changes colors on the inside, because I thought it just looked so beautiful as like the colors changed inside. And then on this side of this shelf, I just put like some trees and this Christmas globe with Santa in it that I thought was really cute. And plus it says hope. So I thought that was really nice. But let me see if I can shake it for you guys, so you guys can see how pretty that is. I thought it was so beautiful. I also took pictures of it. And then the only other thing, my desk that's Christmassy, is this how do you call this? It's not a frame, but I thought it was so beautiful, and it kind of just went like with the colors on my desk. I'm gonna do a desk tour, but right now I just want to show you guys like the little bit of Christmas accents that I put on my desk to kind of make it seem like a little bit Christmassy, but not go like too much over the top with Christmas things on my desk, because I wanted to have like a certain look and everything kind of blend in. And I thought these little details blend in really nice with the rest of the decor, but still were commemorating the holidays and Christmas. So that's it, you guys. That's pretty much other than like other wall accents that I got, that's pretty much what I did for my Christmas decor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.